This is the capstone. 2 problems, every rule at once. First, 5a 4 1b 2 divided by 88. Find a and b, and give the largest number that works. Second, is 638 638 divisible by 7, 11, and 13? And why does every number of the form ABC, ABC behave the same way? Pause the video. 2 blanks, 1 big divisor, and a number that repeats itself. Here is a hint. A big divisor splits into smaller coprime rules. Here is the row. 5a 4 1b 2. 88 splits. 8 times 11. And those two share no factor. The GCD is 1. Never 2 times 44. The pieces must be coprime. Now isolate each window. The 8 reads only the last 3 digits. 1b 2 divided by 8 gives b is 1, 5, or 9. The 11 reads the alternating swing. 2 plus 1 plus a minus b plus 4 plus 5. That is a minus b minus 6. Set that to 0, mod 11. That means remainder 0. Now intersect both windows. 3 pairs survive. A7, B1, A0, B5, A4, B9. Optimize last. The largest is 5, 7, 4, 1, 1, 2. Now read structure before you divide. Take 638, 638. Split it. 638 times 1000 plus 638. Factor out the block. 638 times 1001, and 1001 cracks. 7 times 11 times 13. So the whole number is 638 times 7 times 11 times 13. Divisible by all 3. No division needed. Now generalize. Any ABC is ABC times 1001, which is ABC times 7 times 11 times 13. It is just the distributive law. And watch the near miss. 638, 640 is off by 1 block. It leaves remainder 2 to all 3. So it is 2 mod 7, 2 mod 11, and 2 mod 13. Now walk 3 fresh sets, 1 move at a time. Walk 1. 8a 2 4b divided by 72. Split it. 72 is 8 times 9. The 8 reads the last 3. 2, 4, b divided by 8 gives b is 0 or 8. The 9 reads the digit sum. 14 plus a plus b is 0 mod 9. So a plus b is 4 or 13. Intersect the 2. The pairs are a4, b0 and a5, b8. The largest number is 8, 5, 2, 4, 8. Walk 2. 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1 divided by 7, 11, 13. It is 471 times 1001. So it is 471 times 7 times 11 times 13. Divisible by all 3. And the near miss, 471, 473, is 2 more. It leaves remainder 2 to each. That is 2 mod 7, 2 mod 11, and 2 mod 13. Walk 3. 4a b 2 8 divided by 36. 36 is 4 times 9. The 4 reads the last 2. 28 is 4 times 7. That always passes. The 9 reads the digit sum. 14 plus a plus b is 0 mod 9. So a plus b is 4 or 13. Push for the largest sum. The max is 13. The min is 4. This is the capstone. Everything combined. If a divisor factors into coprime pieces, isolate the deciding digits for each piece and satisfy them all at once. And read structure. like ABC ABC is ABC times 7 times 11 times 13 before you ever divide. Look for 2 blanks under a composite or a long repeating number. Every rule isolates the smallest piece the divisor can see. The capstone just runs them all in parallel. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.